facial skin goes through many challenges throughout the day by getting exposed to environmental pollutants. Whitening or lightening is a natural process for many who care about their skin tones. Some people also prefer lighter skin tones, although their original skin is dark. In both cases, avocado can help you to achieve the objective of skin whitening. Let's review why avocado is good for skin whitening and how to use it for quick results. Avocado is a nutrient-rich superfood. It contains vitamins A, B, C and E and minerals like potassium, phosphorus and calcium. And also contains healthy monounsaturated fats like oleic and linoleic acid. An antioxidant compound called glutathione in avocado reduces melanin, the pigment that colors the skin. Lower production of melanin whitens or lightens the skin. Applying avocado oil on skin also acts as natural sun protection. Regular consumption of avocado, which has oleic acid, promotes consistent supply of sebum in people with dry skin. This keeps the skin bright and young for long by keeping it moisturized. Healthy oils in avocado stimulate synthesis of collagen, which maintains the suppleness and elasticity of skin. In addition, the antioxidants in it keeps the free radicals in check to maintain healthy skin for longer. All the above aspects help an overall improvement in the skin condition, as well as lighten and brighten the skin for longer periods. It also delays the signs of aging. You can use avocado alone or with other natural ingredients to make face masks to whiten or lighten your skin. Avocado milk and honey masks work well to produce quick results. Scoop out pulp of a medium-size avocado in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of milk and mix well to make thick paste. Wash your face and apply the mask. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse it off. Do it twice a week. You can add half teaspoon of lemon juice instead of milk as another option. Lemon has bleaching capabilities. In addition, drink more water, exercise regularly and wear sunscreen when you are out in the sun. Bottom line is, taking care of your skin will lighten and brighten your skin. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.